In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar with your group. This is a very useful skill to have, especially if you're managing team schedules, coordinating family plans, or organizing events. Let's get started by launching your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. A quick way to do this is simply by typing in google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, keep an eye out for the grid of 9 dots arranged in a square pattern, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. This is your gateway to the various Google services. Among the options that appear, you'll want to click on Calendar. This might be labeled with the familiar icon of a date inside a square, just another way to recognize it quickly. Upon entering your Google Calendar, scan through the calendars listed on the left side. These could include your personal calendar, work calendar, and any others you may have added along the way. Select the specific calendar you want to share by clicking on it. This will open up some more options, giving you control over that specific calendar. Next, look for the Settings and Sharing option. This option is essential for customizing your calendar's accessibility and is usually easy to find within the calendar options. Clicking this will lead you to a new page with a comprehensive list of settings. Now, to share your calendar, scroll down until you find the section labeled Share with Specific People. Click on Add People and Groups. This action will prompt you to enter the email addresses of individuals or groups you want to have access to this calendar. Once you've added the desired people or groups, it's important to carefully set their permissions. You'll have several options to choose from. See only free, busy, see all event details, make changes to events, or make changes and manage sharing. This range of options gives you flexibility in how much access or control you want to grant them. Choose the ones that best fit your needs and the nature of your shared calendar. After you've gone through these steps and set the appropriate permissions, you're pretty much done. Make sure to double-check everything to ensure that the right people have the right access and that you haven't inadvertently shared your calendar more broadly than intended. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Google Calendar with your group. This should make managing and staying on top of your group's schedules a much easier task. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check back for more tips on making the most of your Google tools.